guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is not a shopping haul, not a makeup review, not a makeup tutorial. So this is kind of a different video. I thought that everybody talks about makeup products, but we also need to talk about the makeup tools that we have. So here I am with this video. So the basic purpose of this video is to show you the difference between a good quality and a bad quality beauty sponge. So yeah, I have both of them right here. So this is the good quality beauty blender. It is from the brand 20 something. 20 something is a brand of Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar. So this is that, and the MRP of this one is 199 rupees. Whereas on the other side we have this local beauty sponge. So this is how it looks like. Both of them look identical, like you cannot make out any difference as such. This is an old one that I have, and this came free along with a makeup brush set. So technically this was free, but if we generally see the prices of the local beauty blenders is around under 50 rupees. So this one was 199, but on offer I got it for 135 from Flipkart. This is a new purchase. As you can see, I have not used it yet. So today we are going to compare both of these, see the pros and cons, see the differences and how differently they apply makeup. So that we'll see. So yeah, let's get started. So first, as I told you, the price difference is not that great. Like this one is around 199, and good quality sponges, like you can say under 500 you'll get most of these good quality from different brands. Pack Cosmetics has them, then we have it from Plume, then we have from various brands. I can say I'll list the brands in the description. So they have different prices, like from 199 to 250, or some are 350, 400, 500, up to 500 you'll get good quality makeup sponges. And while this one costs around under rupees 50 from any local store or local place, or even online you get these. So when I got this, I was like very happy because it was very soft and like its color was also pretty. So I thought this will work great, but as soon as I used it, no, it was a disappointment. It does not work great at all. Like this, I'll just show you the difference and you'll understand. So while this one I'm having really high hopes, and I can say that this will perform good. So we have a water test here. So water test will tell us whether which sponge is good. So this is water in a mug. As you can see, I'll keep it here and I'll dip first this one inside. So if it expands, then you can say that it is good quality. So let's see. So when we put it inside and squish out the water, so after removing the water, this still remains the same. As you can see, I have removed the excess water, but the size still remains the same. So this we have, I'll keep it here. While on the other hand, you can see the size before. This is the size, less than my hand. I'll dip it in water. You have to take time, it will take time. Remove all the excess water. Okay, now as soon as you remove the water, you can see the size difference, how big it has become, like it has absorbed the water, and how squishy and soft it has become. Whether this one is, like you can see now comparison both of them, a difference in the size. This one is very soft now, as well as the packaging also of both is different. This comes in a simple polythene bag, and while this one has its own box, so that is easy for you to store it. And Blue Heaven also has a makeup sponge, 150 rupees. That is also great. That also you can try. So this, now we'll apply the foundation with both of them and see. This is my foundation. So I'll just equally apply on both sides. Okay. So first this one we'll apply on the right side and see how it blends. Actually it does not blend at all, it does not. You can see. See how it does the foundation. It does not like blend it unless and until you give at least 10 to 15 minutes to it, keep dabbing, and then you can get some result like. But still when you zoom in you can see lots of dry patches. So, and it absorbs most of the product like. So we'll try out with our new sponge. It's very soft, like you can already feel it that it's very soft. This is all real time, as you can see. Like I'm not skipping the time. So this is how it has blended. Like as you can see, skin like finish it is given. There are no dry patches or there is no foundation remaining, and the coverage also you can see it has not absorbed a lot of product, as you can see. Here you can see dryness, you can see patches little. So that's how it is. Now again we'll apply one more layer and see how it blends. So we'll take the concealer test. So that's our concealer. So it's really hard to blend with this one, like you can see I'm struggling. While this one is very soft, so it will not harm your eyes at all. So as you can see, this side looks more natural, glowy, and this side is more dry. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, that these two sponges, like prices may be somewhat around same or different, but the quality is super different from each other. This one is not worth it at all. So always go for a branded beauty blender. Don't go for these ones because they do not work. This does work, does do what it is meant to do. So yeah, that's our comparison, and clearly this is our winner. So this is from 20 something. It's available on Flipkart and Cuffs and Lashes on Amazon, so you can try it out. I'll give the buying link in the description box. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.